All right, I'm going to go over the functions of the atrium and ventricles of the heart. So first I'm going to show you what the general layout of the heart is. This is a cartoon heart, but it demonstrates the point well enough. So the heart is roughly divided into 4 separate sections, separated by the myocardium, which is thick muscle. You have the atriums at the top, the right atrium. You have the left atrium, the ventricles at the bottom, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. The atriums are responsible, they're slightly smaller and they're responsible, the atriums are responsible for blood flow going in. So into the right atrium comes deoxygenated blood from the body. There's a nerve, a node, in the right atrium called the SA node, right there, which triggers a contraction. Blood is pumped into the atrium. There's another delayed contraction, and it's pumped into the ventricle, which is the more muscly part of the heart. There's another contraction, and it's pumped out into the pulmonary circuit, into the lungs. Where, via a process that Logan will explain, it's oxygenated again, and it's pumped back into the left atrium. Like I said, atriums are going in. It is moved to the left ventricle. And then there's another strong contraction, and it is pumped out of the left ventricle, back into the body, into the circulatory system, where it is robbed of its oxygen, and it makes full circle, and the cycle starts again. I just want to say that systolic blood pressure refers to the contraction of the heart, while diastolic blood pressure refers to the relaxation of the heart. Logan is going to talk about partial pressures.
Alright, so just going off of what Joe said, just talk about partial pressure and gas exchange. So if we start in the lungs, or the capillaries, there's going to be more oxygen, so the partial pressure of oxygen will be 100, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide will be around 40, and it's going to the left side of the heart for the systemic veins and arteries, veins. Partial pressure still, oxygen is still 100. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is still going to be 40. Dude, can you see that? So then, when we hit the muscles, there's going to be a gas exchange, carbon dioxide going into the body, and oxygen going into the muscles, because oxygen, muscles need oxygen to function properly, to contract. So when we have that gas exchange, partial pressure of oxygen is only going to be 40. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is going to be 46. We move to the right side of the heart, pulmonary vein, pulmonary arteries, where partial pressure of carbon dioxide is greater than oxygen, so 46 to 40, and it goes back into the lungs to get oxygenated back again, so that means oxygen is greater than carbon dioxide, and there's a